Welcome to Suri Daily English, the podcast, a leading English podcast channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Suri Daily English. I am Suri, and I am feeling energized today.
And I am Alex, and I'm feeling fuzzy.
Alex, it is the middle of the day. Why are you sleepy? Did you work late?
No, I fell into a YouTube hole last night.
A YouTube hole? What were you watching?
Well, first I watched an English lesson. Very good. But then I clicked on a video called Deep Cleaning a Rug from 1980.
Rug cleaning again?
Suri, you don't understand. The water turns brown, then clear. It is magic. I watched rug videos until 2 a.m., and now I have no energy for English.
Oh, Alex, I think many people understand this. You start with a plan, but then you get distracted. You are drifting.
Drifting? Like a boat with no engine?
Exactly. Drifting means you are moving through your day on autopilot. You are not choosing your actions. The phone chooses for you.
That is me. I am a boat. I am drifting to the rug videos. I have no control.
Well, wake up, Captain Alex. Today we stop the boat. Today we talk about your turning point.
Turning point? That sounds dramatic. Do I need a costume?
No costume, just a decision. Let's reset your life and your English. A turning point is not a miracle. It is simply the moment you say, enough. We call this drawing a line in the sand.
A line in the sand? But the ocean will wash it away.
It is an idiom, Alex. It means you create a boundary. You say, the old lazy Alex stays behind this line. The new Alex crosses the line.
Ooh, I like that. I will cross the line. I will change everything.
Okay, what is your plan?
Listen to this. Starting tomorrow, I will wake up at 4 a.m. I will drink 5 liters of water. I will study English grammar for 6 hours, and I will never look at a rug again.
Alex, no. Please, no.
Why? It is a strong plan. It is maximum power.
It is too big. You will quit by lunchtime. You need the opposite. You need a minimum winning day.
Minimum? But I want to be great, not minimum.
To be great, you must finish. A minimum winning day is a plan so small, so easy, that you can do it even on your worst day.
Like super small?
Yes, just 3 tiny things. 1 for your body, 2 for your mind, 3 for your space.
Okay. How about body, drink 1 glass of water, mind, read 1 English sentence, space, put my socks in the basket.
Perfect. That is it.
Suri, that is too easy. I'm an adult. I can do more than 1 sentence.
Can you? Did you study yesterday?
No. I was watching the rugs.
Exactly. We need the plan to be doable. Doable means able to be done. It is possible. Your 6-hour plan was not doable.
You're right. I usually plan big, get scared, and then I just wait.
That is called stalling. You are delaying because you are afraid to fail, but you cannot fail a minimum winning day. It is too small to fail. Okay, Alex, to keep this new habit, we need to understand three important concepts. Welcome to the word tour.
I love tours. Do we get snacks?
No snacks, just wisdom. First stop, consistency versus intensity.
I know these. Intensity is like a tiger. Roar, fast and strong.
Yes, but tigers get tired. Intensity is doing a lot of work very fast. It feels good, but it burns you out.
Yeah, like when I cleaned my whole apartment in 1 hour and then slept for 2 days.
Exactly. Now, consistency is like a turtle, slow, steady, every day.
But turtles are boring, Suri.
Alex, consistency beats intensity, always. Reading one page every day for a year is better than reading a whole book in one day and quitting forever.
Okay, I want to be a turtle. A cool turtle with sunglasses.
Okay, cool turtle. Next word, potholes.
Potholes? Like the holes in the street that break my bicycle?
Yes, in life, potholes are problems. You get sick, you get busy, you feel sad. These are potholes on your road to English.
I hate potholes. When I hit one, I feel like I failed. I want to go home and cry.
That is the problem. You think a pothole is the end of the road. It is just a bump. When you hit a pothole, you don't burn your car. You fix the tire and keep driving.
So if I miss 1 day of English, the car is not broken?
No, it is just a slip up. That is our last phrase. Slip up versus give up.
What's the difference?
A slip up is a mistake. You missed a day. Give up is when you quit completely. Alex, you love to give up. We need you to master the quick restart.
Quick restart? Like in a video game? When I die, I press start immediately?
Yes, no guilt, no drama, just restart. If you miss Monday, don't wait for next week. Restart on Tuesday morning.
I like that. No drama, just restart.
Okay, we have the mindset. Now we need the action. Listeners, are you ready? Alex, are you ready?
I was born ready.
Good. I want everyone to speak out loud. We will use a template to create your turning point. It has two parts.
Only 2? That's doable.
Part 1 is the decision. Say, I decided to. Part 2 is the tiny rule. Say, my one small rule is.
Okay. Can I give an example? A real one?
Please do.
Okay. Part 1. I decided to stop losing sleep over internet videos. Part 2. My one small rule is at 10 p.m., my phone goes to jail.
Jail?
Yes, the kitchen drawer. That's jail. I close the drawer. Good night, phone. See you in the morning.
That is brilliant. It's specific, it's doable, and it solves your drifting problem.
It will be hard. The rug videos are calling me.
You can do it. Use the quick restart if you slip up. Now, listeners, it is your turn. Pause the video, say your turning point out loud.
Do it now. We're waiting. Okay, did they do it?
I'm sure they did. Remember, keep the rule tiny. Drink water is a rule. Open my notebook is a rule. Friends, I want to tell you something important. Maybe you feel like you are behind. Maybe you think 2026 is already going too fast.
Yeah, sometimes I feel like everyone is running and I'm just sitting.
You are not behind. You are just starting. Your turning point can happen on a Tuesday afternoon. It can happen right now.
And remember, consistency beats intensity. Be a turtle.
Exactly. Start your minimum winning day today. Just 3 tiny things.
I'm gonna put my socks in the basket right now. Success!
Good job, Alex. Thank you for listening, everyone. Don't drift. Take the wheel.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Bye-bye.